So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, I am going to do a Black Friday haul. But this one is, I bought it, I think, last month. And medyo busy and loaded ang lola nyo. So this is gonna be a late upload and late vlog, so I'll try to upload it as soon as possible before the month ends, before the year ends. So today is wala pa namang 12 o'clock, so today is 12 na pala, past 12, December 21st 2024. And disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. I will going to do a haul, so medyo matagal-tagal na yung haul ko. I bought this one from Luke SM Aura here at the BGC Taguig, and most of the items that I bought are less 50% off. And as you can see, I just came from work. Ayan, kaya medyo oily pa yung skin ko, and then I have a zit here because parating ang ating period. Anyway, so nisegue na naman ako. So yun nga, disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to share what I bought from Luke SM Aura na naka-discount. Most of them are naka 50% off. So medyo nakamura tayo doon. And then nabudol talaga ako ng bongga. So I'll pick up randomly na lang, same as I always do from my previous vlog. So the first one is Senka Perfect Whip. This is naka 50 off. So, dalawa na yung kinuha ko since na-try ko naman na tong facial wash na to. And I did try it already but hindi ako nakagawa ng review. So, I don't know. Maybe, bakit ba dalawa yung kinuha ko? Kasi, Christmas gift giving is coming. So, wala naman akong maisip na murang ibigay na items. And, since ginagamit ko naman na siya before, so this is white clay. This is mostly bagay siya for combination. Ayan, yung mga combination oily skin. Kaya binili ko na rin siya. And it will expire on malayo naman, December 2025. Kaya binili ko na rin siya. So kung balak ko siyang iregalo or i-keep in the future for my own use. And sorry for the airplane, ayoko na tong i-pause kasi nga lowbat na rin ako, and then I'm running out of time kasi it's past 12 na, and I have to clean my face, do my skincare regimen bago matulog. And ayun, sumisegue na naman ako. Tapos ito nga, nabudol ako ni EC. This is typically, the original price is 199. Nabili ko lang siya ng 99 pesos. So, this is exactly fit my Makeup Forever, yung Trio empty palette niya. Kasi nakakuha ako ng Jessie James collection nung nila. Highlighter foundation, highlighter, blusher, and contour na nakuha ko pa from Sephora, yung gratis. So, since wala nang Makeup Forever dito, wala na akong mabibiling refill nun. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya-maya. So, this is blusher. Ito yung nagustuhan ko. And it's in the shade of Flesh. So, yan siya. So, 99 pesos lang siya. Sorry sa tricycle dahil nandito ako sa Pilipinas. Then, the next one is I bought bronzer. I don't know why nagugustuhan ko na yung mga bronzer ngayon, na-appreciate ko na siya. Maybe because I have already jawline nung pumayat ako, and I want to emphasize it more. So, I bought it in the shades of Fiery or Fire. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. Bear with me. And, nung kaka-launch lang nito, gustong-gusto ko siyang bilhin. Pero sabi ko, maybe magsisale siya soon. I don't know why. Alam niyo naman dito sa Pilipinas kung ano yung trending, 'di ba? Kung ano yung trending, yun yung sikat. So, gusto mo ring makiuso. And I bought this one. So, this is 349. I don't know. Bobo kasi ako sa math. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung percentage, pero nabili ko lang siya ng 179 something, 179.50. So, yun yata yung half of the price ng 349. So, I bought clog. Hindi ko siya may swatch kasi, paano ba? Hindi ko muna siya isi-swatch kasi I have a lot of, tint right now. So, maybe, diretso ko na lang siyang i-review. But, I'll try to open this one. Ayoko nang kasi open and edit again. Ayan. So, yan malalaman nyo guys, daanan talaga doon ng aeroplano. So, ito yung shade na pinili ko. This is in the shade of Club. Post ko lang talaga to talaga guys. Wait lang. So, ayan. Moving on. As I've noticed, ginaya nila yung packaging ni Urban Decay. Kasi I was a beauty consultant of Urban Decay before. So, ganito yung parang naked gloss nila. Ayan. So, hindi ko siya isa-swatch guys. I'm so sorry. Pero I'll try to do a review. Pero nagustuhan ko to guys. Itong nila. Itong collection na to ng EC. I think this is... Wait lang. Isa lang kasi yung yung kamay ko. Then, ayoko na siyang i-pause dahil so, this is a glossing moisturizing lip stain. Ayan. Lip tint. So, alam niyo naman, ang ginagaya nito is mga Korean products since this is a local brand, guys. Local brand means this is made in the Philippines but it is manufactured in China, if I am not mistaken. And, I'm not so sure if the SY here is the last name or family name of the owner. Ayun. So, makikita nyo naman din dito, it is manufactured for Global AC Cosmetics Trading. And it's made in PRC. So, PRC means People's Republic of China. Kaya, medyo mura siya. And, lumalaban naman siya sa mga branded brands. But, if you compared it to BLK and Happy Skin, they are more on a skincare cosmetics and it's also a local brand. Kaya medyo pricey sa mga Pinoy, mga middle earner. Medyo pricey siya. $5.99, $4.99. Ganun, usually yung price. $6.99. So, next one is the Mousse Lip Tint. Yan, ito siya. So, wala siyang ganito na the first box. And, ayun, yung kanyang texture na packaging is medyo hindi glossy. Kasi, from the word mousse, medyo matte. Matte yung effect ng gloss or tint na to. And, I choose the shade of Mischief. And again, as I've said, hindi ko siya ma-swatch kasi I'm running out of time and isiningit ko lang talaga to na sabi ko I should do a haul. Yan, yung nabili ko last Black Friday sale. And papakita ko pala yung empty or yung refillable box or container ni Makeup Forever na paglalagyan ko nitong easy. So, ito yan guys, Makeup Forever, and sadly Makeup Forever Philippines already closed here in the Philippines. And this is from Jessie J. I don't know, Jessie James ba or Jessie J collection. And yan siya. So, I have a highlighter. Kita yung yung magulo kong doon. Magulo kong mga gamit. The highlighter, blusher, and yung sa gitna is bronzer. So, I think guys, that it's for today's vlog. And, thank you for keeping watching my vlogs kahit medyo hindi ganun kaganda yung quality ng editing ko. Basta lang may ma-vlog, push lang. And, I think I've been in this channel for I'm not so sure 11 years na yata or 8 years, but I'm like what I'm doing. And in the future, in the near future, claim ko na yan in Jesus' name na I'll be vlogging, mamanifest ko. I'll be vlogging outside the country. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you on my future vlogs. Bye guys!